METATRADER4 winning strategy. This strategy is meant for MT4 and not MT5. You cannot use this on derived platform. This is strictly meant for MT4 and not MT5. Make sure you trade on regulated forex broker, and you can easily do this by checking out every brokers, all the broker you want to register with. Just type their name in Google search bar and put scam in front of their name. Then you will see a lot of information concerning these particular brokers that you want to register with. Make sure you open a demo account and try out your strategy on the demo account. Do not go live except you've tried your strategy, either paid strategy or free forex strategy, either paid indicator or free forex indicator, either paid forex signal or free forex signal. Make sure you check it out on their demo account on METATRADER4, since this particular strategy is meant for MT4. It is important that you do that so that you will know the spread for each pairs on different brokers. It is important that you do that you know the spread for each pairs you want to trade, because it varies from platform to platform. It is important that you do that. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. If today is the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you subscribe and do give me a thumb up. Do not forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning strategy. I have combined few indicators together to come up with this particular strategy, and I want you to follow me closely as I explain how to use it. This particular strategy can be used on any forex pairs you want to trade, like Euro USD, New Zealand Japanese Yen, Great Britain Pounds USD. This particular strategy can be used on cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Doji, Memecoin, and the rest, as many crypto pairs you have on your MT4. And this can be used to trade stock like Tesla stock, Google, Facebook stock, Amazon stocks, as many stocks as you have on MT4. And you can use this to trade indices like US 30, US 100, or Nasdaq, US 500, as many indices you have on your MT4. Make sure you follow me closely as I explain how to use this particular strategy. As you can see, I placed this trade a few minutes ago. As I was about to make this particular video, I saw this arrow that was pointing down, this yellow arrow, in agreement with this particular indicator, and that was why I placed this trade. This is live trading, and I will show you how you can profit from this particular indicator too, and I will show you the profit I made today using these tools trading on METATRADER4 and on regulated forex brokers. So this is how I use this particular strategy. I have few indicators here. I have the support or the pivot zone, the support and resistance. This is just an important zone or line to look out for when you are trading. It may actually either retest or rebound or reject this particular zone, as you can see it here. And the second indicator I have here is this particular indicator, and the arrow indicator here. And on the indicator window, I have this RSI indicator. Now, how do I use all these indicators combined together on a regulated forex brokers? It is simple. Number one thing I look out for, this must be coming from a zone, either support or resistance zone. This is a resistance zone for this particular chart. This is New Zealand Japanese Yen. and followed by this particular yellow arrow, and I have this turned to red for a sell. So this is a good sell for this particular uh, strategy. This is a good setup for a sell signal, and you can keep on riding the trend or target the next support zone for a sell. And for a buy, it's the same methodology. This is coming from a zone here, and I have the buy arrow that does not repaint, the white arrow, followed by this, and we have this vertical line here generated by this indicator, and this is a good buy. And for continuation, we are going to take this buy. This will not be taken because it is against this particular indicator. This will not be taken since it is against it, and this will be taken. So this is how to use this particular strategy. It is simple, and all the indicators I use for this particular strategy is in the video description. Make sure you check it out and download it. This can be used on any pair, as I said, and you can use it on any time frame you like. Let's check it out on another pairs before I end this video and show you the settings for all the indicators that I used. Here is it on Great Britain pounds, Japanese yen, and we have a buy signal generated here. We have all the indicators in agreement. This sell will not be taken, and we have another buy here. Here's another sell, and here's another point to enter sell. Just allow the candle to close before you place your trade. This is a good strategy that can be used on any pairs, but make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers and try out any strategy on demo accounts. And this is meant for MT4. Make sure you try it out and check out the forex brokers to see their spread. Now let me show you all the indicators I use for this particular strategy. I have the non-repainting indicator, and this is the setting and the colors. Then the support resistant indicator. They have the trend envelope indicators. These are the values, though you can change the value, play with it and use any value you want, but this is what I use. Then we have the symbol changer indicator, and at the indicator window, this is the indicator that I use. The download link to all the indicators I use for this particular strategy is in the video description. Make sure you download it. I did include my template. Make sure you download it. Do not forget to give me a thumb up, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning strategy. Now let me show you my profit for today using this particular strategy, and these are the profit for today. I pick a couple of trades, and these are the result. I have one single loss, and this is 77.87 US dollar. This is how to use this particular strategy, and you can use it on any forex brokers. So I believe with this also you can trade profitably. Just make sure you follow money management. Check Forex Factory before you take any trade so that it will not affect your analysis. You will know if there's any pairs that has news so that it won't affect your technical analysis. It is important that you check Forex Factory. Trade on regulated forex brokers. It is important that you trade on regulated forex brokers. In my video description, I dropped some links to some of these regulated forex brokers. Make sure you check it out and see if they are regulated in your area. If they are regulated, then go ahead to open an account with them. Open demo account first. Try out your strategy and see if everything works well before you go on to open a live account and deposit your hard-earned money. Please do not waste your time, your effort on any forex brokers platform that is not regulated. Make sure you check them out and trade on regulated forex brokers. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader, Joe, and bye for now.